So you want to make helical gears in FreeCAD? Okay, go to Tools, add a Manager, search for Gears. Select the FreeCAD Gears workbench, install it, then close it. Go to the Gear workbench, select Involute Gear. Now, click on the Involute Gear. Scroll down in the base, you see the height. That changes the height of the whole gear. Module sets the size of each teeth. Teeth changes the number of teeth. Down in the helical, we'll see the beta, which is going to set the angle of the teeth from the bottom to the top. You can see each line is going to be at 40 degrees. This is how you make a helical gear. To make a double helix, just click on the double helix, set it to true. And if you want to make this gear left-handed, just put a minus before the 40 degrees. And that's all. If you like these short tutorials and you want to support me, you can go to my link, buy me a coffee, link in the description. Thank you for watching.